Shall do right here. I'm filming the 2003 Toyota Camry exhaust replacement. I got my whole exhaust here. This is for the 4-cylinder, 2.4 liter. Now somebody's already replaced the flex coupling here, and the problem with these, this is the factory exhaust, the flanges rust out. So I've already cut them off, and then there was a stainless steel bead weld around all these pieces of pipe. Now the biggest pain in the butt was trying to match up what type of pipes that I needed. So to make this a long story short, this is where the muffler hooks into the pipe, the center part. So what I'm going to do, this right here widens out a little bit. I'm going to cut this off here. Now this right here is an 1 1/8" pipe, and it's got a taper at the end, 2 1/4 ID, and it's got a place right here where it goes out. It's too loose for that, but the rest of it goes around it pretty tightly. This is 2 1/4 ID. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that bevel out and try to get the measurements real close, and just want to take a piece of this pipe and clamp that together. Now on this side here, I had to get kind of creative because I couldn't find anything to fit this side. So this is a Sure-Built 17570 connector, 2.5 ID to ID, or OD to OD. It fits that pretty good right there. And I'm gonna connect that to that, and this one right here will go inside of that. And then I'm gonna come down here and cut this about right here. Just put them all together. I'm gonna cut that taper off wherever this is going to end at, and try to keep the dimensions the same. So I thought I'd try to make this video in case anybody else is trying to splice this exhaust system together. So, because this right here is actually a catalytic converter. I don't know if you can see that. So this is expensive. This whole exhaust system is expensive. So I'm trying to save money. I bought these 2 connectors, and all of the clamps I needed for right around $40 at AutoZone. So if anybody else out there decides to try to tackle this exhaust system themselves and try to save it, get some more life out of it, I believe that I bought I'm only going to need 3 clamps here and 2 on the other side. So I bought 2 2 1/4" clamps, a 2.5" clamp, 2.5" clamp. Actually, I bought 3 2 1/4", 3 2 1/4" clamps, and a 2.5" clamp will do it. At least that's the hope. So I thought I want to try to cut off the size and sort of put it all together and see what it does. So yeah, this is my personal car. It's up on Jack's blocks for now. Shall they do right out?